how to replace Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge battery easily. Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge battery replacement. Full step-by-step guide. Long video. Battery. In this detailed repair tutorial, we show you how to replace the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge battery safely and correctly. If your phone is not holding charge, draining quickly, or shutting down unexpectedly, a battery replacement can bring it back to life. Backhand index pointing right. In this full-length video, you will learn white heavy checkmark tools required for battery replacement. White heavy checkmark, how to safely open the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. White heavy checkmark, removing the old battery without damaging the phone. White heavy checkmark, installing and connecting the new battery. White heavy checkmark, reassembling the device step by step. White heavy checkmark, testing the phone after repair. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery of the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. If your phone is draining quickly, shutting down suddenly, or not charging properly, a battery replacement can give it a brand new life. This video will only take about 6 minutes, so stay tuned till the end. Package, tools, and preparation. Before we start, let's quickly go through the tools you'll need. A heat gun or hair dryer to soften the adhesive. A plastic opening tool or guitar pick. A small Phillips screwdriver. Suction cup. Replacement battery for the Galaxy S6 Edge. Make sure your phone is powered off before starting the repair. Fire. Step 1. Removing the back cover. First, apply gentle heat around the back cover of the phone. The heat will soften the adhesive holding it in place. Don't overheat, just warm enough to loosen the glue. Now, place the suction cup on the back glass and gently pull while sliding a plastic pick around the edges. Be patient here. Take your time to avoid cracking the glass. Once loosened, carefully lift the back cover and set it aside. Wrench. Step 2. Unscrewing and removing the frame. Next, you'll see several small screws around the midframe. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove all of them. Keep the screws safely in one place so you don't lose them. Once all screws are out, gently separate the midframe from the device. You may need to use your plastic tool to release the clips holding it together. Battery. Step 3. Disconnecting the battery. Now, we can access the battery connector. Use your plastic tool to gently lift and disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Never use metal tools, as they can damage the board. Step 4. Removing the old battery. The battery is glued down, so again, apply some gentle heat to loosen the adhesive underneath. Slowly work your plastic tool or card under the battery and lift it out carefully. Do not bend or puncture the battery. Once removed, dispose of the old battery safely. High voltage. Step 5. Installing the new battery. Take your new Galaxy S6 Edge battery and place it in the slot. Make sure it sits flat and in the correct position. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard securely. Hammer and wrench. Step 6. Reassembling the phone. Now, it's time to put everything back together. Place the midframe back in position and screw all the screws tightly. After that, apply a little adhesive if needed, then place the back cover back onto the phone and press it firmly around the edges. Mobile phone testing. Power on your phone and check if everything is working fine. You should see your Galaxy S6 Edge booting up with a new battery installed. Test charging and make sure the phone holds power properly. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the battery on your Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair tutorial. Warning disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Attempt repairs at your own risk. We are not responsible for any damage caused during the repair process.